Have you ever felt like you want to learn almost everything in life? Today you feel like playing the guitar. Tomorrow you want to learn coding, and the day after you might want to read a psychology book. Since childhood, society, family, and schools have taught us one single thing: focus on just one thing. We are told that if we put our feet in 10 different boats, our career will be destroyed. And under this pressure, we become depressed, thinking of ourselves as a jack of all trades, master of none. When we leave a new hobby or interest halfway, a kind of guilt works inside us. But today, I will tell you a truth about human psychology that will change the way you look at life. Having too many interests is not your weakness. Rather, it is your biggest superpower for the future world. In psychology, people like you are called multipotentialites, or those with multiple potentials. If you look at history, the greatest minds in the world were not dependent on just one subject. Take Leonardo da Vinci, for example. He was not just a painter. He was a scientist, engineer, mathematician, and anatomy expert. When knowledge from different subjects comes together, true innovation or new discoveries are born in the world. So why does society tell us to focus on just one thing? Because our education system was built during the Industrial Revolution. The factories back then needed people who would do just one specific task for their entire lives. They were called I-shaped people. But in the modern era, especially in this world of artificial intelligence or AI, the jobs of I-shaped or single-skilled people are at the highest risk. Then came the concept of T-shaped people. This means you have a basic understanding of many things, but you are a master of one. But currently, technology is changing so fast that your single skill can become obsolete at any time. And this is where the concept of M-shaped people enters. The future world basically belongs to them. M-shaped people are those who have deep knowledge and skills in multiple subjects and can create excellent connections between them. Suppose you love video editing, and you also have a strong interest in psychology. An ordinary editor might just cut and trim videos, but you will use your knowledge of psychology to make a video that directly triggers human emotions. This combination of two completely different skills will make you so unique that no AI can easily replace you. Do you know what the full quote of the proverb "Jack of all trades" is? It is, "Jack of all trades, master of none, but oftentimes better than a master of one." That means instead of being a master of just one thing, knowing many things is most often much more effective. The brains of multipotentialites are designed in such a way that they can learn any new thing much faster than ordinary people. The first superpower of multipotentialites is rapid learning, or the ability to learn quickly. Since they are used to starting from zero in new subjects over and over again, they know how to apply a skill to a completely different area. They are not afraid to be a beginner or have a beginner's mindset, which helps them put their ego aside and learn fast. The second superpower is idea synthesis, or combining two or more completely different ideas to create something new. Think of Steve Jobs. If he had only focused on technology, Apple might not have been so beautiful. Because of his interest in calligraphy or beautiful handwriting classes, we are able to use such wonderful fonts on computers today. The world's greatest innovations never come from the center of a specific subject, but rather from the intersection of two different subjects. When they get stuck solving a problem, they start working on another subject of interest. In psychology, this is called diffuse thinking. Even while busy with another task, the subconscious mind brilliantly figures out a solution to the previous problem. The third and most important superpower is adaptability, or the ultimate ability to adapt to any environment. The future workplace is highly uncertain. Those who rely on just one job can see their career collapse at any moment. But an M-shaped person has multiple pillars or skills. If the demand for one skill decreases, they can easily survive using another skill. They act as great translators among different professional teams. Because they understand the languages of multiple subjects, they can easily tie developers, designers, and marketers on the same string. And exactly for this reason, in the modern era, these are the people most sought after to be a company's biggest leader or CEO. Now let's talk about an extremely powerful concept called skill stacking. Being in the top 1% in any single task in the entire world is almost impossible. But being in the top 10% in 3 to 4 different skills is much easier. And when you combine these 3 to 4 skills together, you will become such a masterpiece in your field that you will have no competitors. This mixture of your multiple interests is the most unique signature of your life. However, there is a huge problem in the lives of these multipotentialites, and that is imposter syndrome. They spend their entire lives desperately searching for their passion or their one true goal. But the truth is, the idea of having the one true passion or just one goal in life is completely wrong. For people like you, there is no single destination in life. The whole world is a canvas for you. So whenever you feel like learning something new, jump into it without feeling guilty. The biggest challenge for multipotentialites is time management. Since you want to learn so many things, you might get overwhelmed or confused trying to start everything all at once. The first solution to this is breaking out of the myth or misconception that you have to do everything at the same time. Psychology says multipotentialites are mainly of 2 types. The first is sequential. These types of people get obsessed with a specific hobby for a few months or years, then they suddenly leave it and get addicted to something completely new. The second type is simultaneous. They might work a job during the day, produce music in the evening, and read psychology books on weekends. They need multiple active projects at once. Ask yourself, which type are you among these? Once you understand your own pattern, you won't feel guilty anymore. One of the best ways to save time is to create a Renaissance project. This is a large project that combines multiple hobbies of yours together, like starting a YouTube channel. Through this, you can practice writing, video editing, speaking, and psychology, all your interests within a single task.
One of the best approaches is the Einstein principle. Einstein discovered his theory of relativity while doing a regular full-time job at a patent office. A full-time job gives you financial security, allowing you to practice the rest of your hobbies freely without worrying about money. In the modern era, many people are choosing a slash career. For example, someone might be a programmer slash writer slash designer. When society asks, what do you actually do? These people find it very hard to answer in one word. The best answer to this is creating an umbrella theme. Find one common theme among all your interests. For example, you could say, I help people improve themselves. Inside this, your psychology, writing, or video making, everything falls into place. Many think that leaving a hobby halfway means wasting time, but for multipotentialities, no hobby is ever wasted. It is stored as a new tool in your skill box. Steve Jobs said in his famous speech, "Connecting the dots," you can never connect the dots looking forward in life, but when you look backward, you will see how essential every random thing you learned was to get you to where you are today. So stop thinking of yourself as incomplete or a failure from today. Accept yourself as a multipotentiality and learn to love this multifaceted talent of yours. Just as the world desperately needs specialists or experts, it needs people like you just as much. Specialists dive deep into knowledge and build individual blocks, while you create the connections or bridges between those different blocks. In the future world, artificial intelligence, or AI, will be able to do any specific and routine task much better than a human. But AI will never be able to combine 2 completely different human experiences, hobbies, or emotions to think of something new. And exactly here lies the biggest victory of M-shaped people. So from now on, whenever you suddenly develop an interest in a new subject, do not suppress it out of fear or by thinking about what society will say. Give yourself the chance to start from zero or be a beginner over and over again. There's no shame in it. Read that new book of interest, start that online course, or jump into learning that new skill. Even if you leave it after a month, it is still not a waste of time. Rather, it's a great experience. Remember, life is not a narrow tunnel. Life is a massive playground. Every little hobby or skill you learn is adding a completely new color to the canvas of your life. The future world belongs to those who can adapt to changes the fastest, and this future world is waiting the most for M-shaped people. You are not wrong, Nor are you aimless. You're just built a little differently than ordinary people. Embrace this multipotentiality entity inside you today and move forward on your own path. Right now, how many different subjects are you interested in at the same time? Or what are your hobbies? Definitely let me know in the comments. Let's see how many hobbies we have in common. BrainVas is always with you to explore such extraordinary concepts of human psychology and self-improvement. If this video was useful to your life in any way, definitely subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Share this video with that friend of yours who wants to do many things in life but is afraid. If you accept your multifaceted talent as your biggest strength from today, roar in the comment box by typing, "I am M-shaped." Don't fold your wings anymore because of what society says. Explore all your passions. The canvas of your life is very large. Stay well, stay healthy. Thank you.